Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have bromobenzene and you have R. R can be alcohol or methyl. You are reacting with sodamide and ammonia. You have to guess what will be the final product. The answer is interesting because it has two different pathways A and B. Both give different products. If you have R group as alcohol, you have benzene formation with alcohol, where alcohol possesses O- because of base. Then the amine attacks. Amine can attack only in meta position, not para, because same charges repel each other. The formed charges will repel it, so only meta. It's a regioselectivity. Then the next reaction, sodamide attacks. You have two amine formation. There is no restriction, so you have both meta and para. One case you have meta, another case you have mixture. The concept you have to learn here is the functional group can control the incoming group by the charge density. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.